She's Royal 85 and welcome to my channel. In this video, I just want to update you guys on how my hair is doing. These locks will be my second set of locks, my second set of Freeform locks. My first set of locks were super dope. I thought those were going to be my forever locks, but unfortunately, they weren't. And I mean, I miss my babies so much. I really do, man. They were draping, like, they were really long, but you know, I had to get rid of them. And I'm excited for this new set. My first set of locks, I grew them from a fro. I was already like 7 years in natural, so I had this beautiful natural fro, all this hair, 7 years worth of hair, which is a lot of hair. And that fro locked up on itself. Well, this time I'm starting from a teeny weeny afro, a TWA, and it's from cutting off my locks. I cut between the new growth and the lock. And wherever that was, I cut and I didn't shape it up. And whatever imperfection it is, if it's uneven, that's just what it is. So guys, I cut my locks June 30th. It was June 29th. It was June 29th. And I rocked my TWA. I was combing it. I was using curling creams and oils. I was enjoying my curls, but it was only short-lived. I rocked my curls for a good 2 weeks. July 15th is when I stopped doing my hair. Like, I really enjoyed the whole curls. They were cute. I really liked it. It was two things that was happening. I felt like, okay, these curls, it's gonna get old. Like, so when it starts getting long, I'm not gonna wanna do it. And do I really wanna, you know, play with my natural hair again, those curls again? Do I really want to do that to myself? Because I've been natural for years. I know how to take care of my curls, but that was a job. So in my mind, I'm just like, okay, yeah, this teeny weeny afro, but what's the long run? What do you want to see your hair go? And that's when I was thinking about locks again. Ultimately, locks have been like my best hairstyle. Out of all the hairstyles I ever had, from perms to straight hair to braids to buns to my curly fro, locks have been my favorite hairstyle. Yeah, because it's just so me. Because it's like, I don't need to be doing too much with my hair. In my mind, I knew like, yo, like, I really want my locks back. And then on top of that, my mom passed on July 15th of this year. So I literally stopped doing my hair on that day. It was just like, I had scarves on. Like, I was not doing my hair. I didn't want to do my hair. I didn't have time to do my hair. So I just stopped doing my hair on July 15th. And that's when I realized, okay, yep, we're going on another freeform journey. So it's been 6 months since I cut my hair, 5 months since I started my freeform loc journey. I am super excited. I know I said that already. I do have a few locks. My hair, guys, is like this short. I swear I look like a Q-tip. But my hair being this short, I'm still getting locks. I found a few locks already. I have about 2 or 3. Y'all, they're like really little. I see a lot of curls coming together. This stage of it all, I call it the dro stage, which is a dreaded fro. And I love the dro stage, that first stage when your hair is already a fro and then it starts dreading up on itself. To me, that was beautiful. So now I have this little dro. What do I do to take care of my little dro? What I'm doing right now is washing it weekly. On wash day, I massage oil in my scalp. And I massage it for like a good 5 minutes. And I literally get in there, like, and it feels so good. And I really focus on my edges because, you know, your girl lost them. You know, they was MIA, but now they like coming back. They are coming back like the Most High. Ooh, thank you, Father. Starting the second journey with this little fro, I think it's just gonna be a little bit more doper and special. And it's all gonna form the way it's supposed to form. No manipulation. I want it to be. And that's whatever it wants to be. If they want to grow like the weekend, if you want to have these branches, I'm excited to see what it wants to be. Like I said, I've been washing my hair every week. I oil my scalp every week. Guys, and that is about it. I try to sleep with a bonnet, especially because my edges are really thin right now and I'm trying to nurse these homegirls back. So I try to sleep with a satin bonnet so I'm not tugging hair on a cotton pillowcase. I will say like the first 3 to 6, or you know, the first 6 months, I don't think it's that bad that you don't have a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. And I say that because the friction from the pillowcase actually locks your hair. You just sleeping and waking up is making your hair tangle and do what it do, and that's how you get locks faster. Just the tip. But then again, once your locks start coming in, I think that's when you should start wearing a bonnet or whatever you want to wear a bonnet. But I know for me, like that first beginning of my first set of locks, I did not rock a bonnet until my locks came in. And that was like the first 3 months. So my hair locked up pretty fast with my first set of locks because again, I started with like a fro, a big fro. So in 3 months time, I had locks. Well, we about 5 months in, and like I said, I got maybe 2 or 3, and you can see them working. It's doing its thing. Why Freeform Locs? Why did you choose Freeform Locs? Why don't you go with traditional locks? Ew, Freeform Locs. I'm gonna tell y'all about me and why I started. First of all, the word alone in freeform is so damn appealing to me. I am a woman on a journey of freedom. Continuously. I was on that journey back in 2017 when I started my first life, and I'm still on that journey now in 2020. I'm just trying to be free from a lot of BS, a lot of bad habits, just breaking free. You know what I'm saying? And when I came across Freeform 3 years ago with my first set of locks, it resonated with me because I don't want to spend time on my hair. Like that literally is the reason why I like Freeform Locs. I don't like doing hair or having hair take up my time and taking my money when I got other things to do. Like having Freeform Locs frees up time. Freeform Locs is literally freeing. I don't have to retwist nothing. I don't have to buy products. I mean, if I want to, like my little oils I do, and my little shampoo, yes. But other than that, I'm not caking nothing in my hair. I'm not worried about my hair. So that's why I enjoy Freeform Locs, and that's why I am on this journey, because I am done with hair. And in that process of being done with my hair, in that process of being on my Freeform journey, you learn things about yourself, you learn things about your hair, you learn things about people, you learn things about how, you just learn on that journey, like, wow, I'm really not my hair, okay? Like, this stuff I'm grateful to have, I'm blessed to have, but it's not all of who I am. And it frees you up to be the best person you can be, or work on whatever you want to do. It teaches you to love you. Like we're taught that like beauty is so tied up in appearance and hair, and I think you lose track of the real, if that makes sense. So yeah, Freeform Locs have taught me how to like love myself unconditionally. But Freeform Locs really freed me. It was one of the best decisions I ever made. And that's why I'm back on it the second time. I couldn't see me doing traditional locks or any other hairstyle but Freeform Locs. Like just loving myself in its natural state and let my hair do what it wants to do. I hope to show you guys some more progress of my hair, or show y'all what's going on with it. And I thank you guys for being here as always. Thank you. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.